Oh no. So you're gonna get two flavors, same color. One is disgusting, one is really nice. So you have to try the same color at the same time.
I'm actually really nervous about this.
And then I'll tell you what you ate.
Oh!
I'm not looking forward either.
It's like bean roulette, you know?
Oh my god.
Not sure I'm up for this.
So let's go with the blue one.
Blue, okay.
Yeah, it looks nice and medical.
Okay, cheers.
Toothpaste.
Eating toothpaste.
Toothpaste.
Mine is nice.
You see, I told you, I know my luck.
I got toothpaste.
I think I'm good.
Toothpaste maybe.
Oh my god. It smells.
No, mine tastes like toothpaste too, but like fresh and
Minty.
Yeah, actually, I mean, it's
Nice,
nice.
Mine was really nice.
I'm really not enjoying this, by the way.
Oh!
Oh, I spoke too soon.
Oh!
Oh my god.
That's disgusting.
I'm so glad I didn't get it.
Oh, that's disgusting.
Oh, it's
Yeah, that's
disgusting.
right. You eat that rotten egg.
Oh my god, that is so gross. I can't be sick.
Oh, I just inhaled it and it's
Oh my god, is this rotten egg?
my nose as well.
Jesus Christ. Oh,
That's horrid.
I don't know if I can do it.
Okay, good one.
Okay. Let's do the orange one.
Alright.
Boy, God.
Oh, I'm scared. I'm scared.
You feel safe with that one?
I've been really lucky. I think I'm not gonna be lucky anymore.
You know, cheers. Mine is off.
Oh.
Something is not right.
Oh, it's nice. Tutti frutti.
Mine is definitely wasn't tutti frutti.
Oh!
Tutti frutti.
I want not tutti frutti.
Oh!
Is this
That
one?
is disgusting.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
You just spit that out.
It really is bad out. It's bad. You're like, that's just not cool. That one is bad. I just couldn't really work it out what it was until she told me.
Horrible.
It's bad. And now it's even worse.
Seriously, horrible.
But honestly, it's a lot worse when she says the name. That is just not cool.
Really, really disgusting. Unbelievable.
Oh, that was really bad.
That was, I mean, that was worse than the egg one.
That was really bad.
Mine was really nice.
They're just not okay. Doing really well. Mm. No, mine tastes nice, vanilla.
Me.
I like it. I don't know what to say. It's good.
It's not a foul taste. How does a baby one taste?
It's like baby coconut wipes.
It's just sweet.
I don't know.
Fresh.
Tastes like vanilla
And it
to me.
tastes like baby powder.
This wasn't too bad actually. I don't mind this one.
Mm.
How often do you eat baby powder?
I still have aftertaste after this.
Please be good. This is like, oh, this is worse than alcohol. Oh no, this is like vomit again. I'm sorry. I'm literally gonna be sick.
Whoever makes these,
Oh my god.
What's the other one?
your product is not gonna sell.
I don't go do it.
Oh. It looks like black bean, you know?
That means something bad's gonna happen. And that one looks wrong.
Mmm. I think mine is off again. I've
got to the middle.
It tastes like hazelnut.
Actually, it's the name that makes it.
I just got to the middle. I can't.
Really?
Sorry.
Really? You're making me want to spit it out now.
Eat it.
I'm sorry.
Eat it. Eat it.
I'm sorry. It's just... I'm sorry. This is just not okay. Please be a good one.
I'm enjoying it.
Are you enjoying everything?
Okay, I'm really lucky. It's chocolate.
It's tasty too.
Oh my god, I'm so glad I didn't get that.
My one is no good.
What'd you have? You want to smell it? It's worse than when she tells you because it's bad.
Exactly.
Oh, smell it. It's almost reassures you what you're eating.
Stinky socks.
Yeah.
It's a bit gross, but everything just tastes like vomit. The first oh
gosh.
gosh, it's worse now.
I can feel it in my nose. Like it.
Oh,
Oh,
God.
that's right.
Everything is just tastes like poo now.
I was really lucky.
I don't know. Everything is just
That
no.
is rancid. Oh my.
You literally had all the back.